In English, one of the tricky parts is the use of the apostrophe, especially to show possession. And when it's kind of like a puzzle, and if you know then which pieces are what and what the edges look like, then you can put them together. The apostrophe is kind of like its own puzzle piece. And where do we put it? And how do we use it? We have personal pronouns that have their own forms, so we don't have to worry about apostrophes with them because they don't have any apostrophes. And that is a clue to when we use its. Whenever you use its to show possession, then it will never have an apostrophe. But when do we use that apostrophe? Single words, we just add an apostrophe S, most words. And then if we want to have plural things and show their possession, the Smith's house, we have to make that plural first. So you make it plural, the Smiths, and then you add the apostrophe after the S, and then, of course, the noun. And then there's one tricky rule that really does go by just how you pronounce it. So especially with formal names that already end in S, like Jesus or Zeus. If you're trying to say Jesus's carpentry tools or Zeus's hammer, then even though it ends in S already, you do add the apostrophe S. Just remember that there are a lot of rules, but we take them one at a time, and when you're trying to decide about apostrophes, you do ask yourself, is this showing possession? Is this plural? And that's where you can determine where to put the apostrophe, or if it's a pronoun, no apostrophe at all.